guys, it's Sam from Boxing for Health, and I'm going to show you today your PD Warrior Scarf Snatch exercise. So this one focuses on arm swings and ballistic powerful movements. This is great if one of your main symptoms is bradykinesia and you've got some dexterity issues and a loss of a full arm swing. Okay? So to do this one, we want to get into a nice big wide leg stance, okay? And we want to really fully extend those arms, one back, one forward. You're going to be doing big, fast, powerful movements here. So to start, I'm not going to let go of my scarf, okay? I'm just going to show you what the arms do. They're going to come up and back. They're going to come up and back, okay? Fast and brisk. I'm going to add that scarf now, okay? Back, coming up and back, coming up and back. So notice how I'm letting go of the scarf at the top. I'm not throwing it by any means. I'm just letting it go and then grabbing it on the way down. Throwing it up, grabbing it on the way down. Okay, so it's just easing out of my hand and I'm grabbing it on the way down. Watch again. Coming up and back. Coming up and back. You can do this. Good luck.